Hi friends, welcome to Crazy Analysis. Recently we saw NCRT class 8 how the camel got this hump book back questions, that is NCRT solutions, and today we are going to see extra questions and answers which are so important for writing exams for school students. And let's see. Here we are providing how the camel got his some extra questions and answers. Class 8 English, it so happened. Extra questions for Class 8 English was specially designed by subject expert teachers for students. And let's see. First, the short answer type questions. This is one line questions which is for 1 mark. When did the animal start working for humans? In the beginning, when the world was just began and the animals started working for humans. And if you didn't see this lesson summary outline, you can just see in description. I have given the link. And where did the lazy animal live? So the camel is the lazy animal, and it lived in the middle of howling desert. And what did he like to do? He liked to eat sticks, thorns and pickles. He loved to sit idle and responded to everything by saying hump. And question number 4. Why did the three call the man? The three were fed up with the attitude of camel, and they called up the man to complain about as he was not doing anything at all. And question number 5. What was the man's reply to the complaints of three? The man was sorry for the tree and decided to leave him alone. He wanted them to work the double time to make up for his negligence. So, who was the in charge of all desert? The jinn, that is the genie, was in charge of the all desert, rolling in a cloud of dust. Question number 7. How did the horse mention the rude behavior of a camel? The horse mentioned the rude behavior of a camel, about his negligent behavior of the camel, and also about his rude behavior. What did the genie plan to do with the camel? The genie planned to hump the camel when he heard about his behavior from the tree. Question number 9. What was the camel doing when the genie reached him? When the genie walked up to him the desert, the camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool of water as if thinking that he was a very handsome good. And question number 10. Do you think the camel paid for ignoring the advice of jinn? The camel did not pay any heed to advice of the jinn. He answered just a hump to everything he asked for. So a hump grew on his back as a punishment. Question number 11. What happened to the camel when he said hump last time? The camel repeatedly answered by saying hump to the genie. Genie penalized him by puffing up his back in a great big hump. What was the purpose of puffing up a big hump on his back of a camel? The answer, the genie asserted that his hump was punishment for his reluctance to work. Secondly, he could live without food for 3 days, so that he could be able to store his food and water in his hump for 3 days. Question number 13. Does the camel catch up with the 3 days at the beginning of the world? No, the camel has never caught up with 3 days at the beginning of the world. And the question number Roman number 2, a long answer type questions which is for 2 and 3 marks. And question number 1. Do you think reward and punishment works as incentive in general for camel in particular? The camel did not want to work at all until he was punished for his reluctance. The genie wanted him to do the assigned work, but seeing his irresponsible behavior, he had to punish him by puffing up a hump on his back. Yet he helped him a better way. Because of the hump, the camel can survive for at least 3 days in a desert. Thus, it be reward or punishment, they do well in general. Question number 2. Do you agree cooperation and loyalty are two essential values that one must learn for a better world. For every institution, it is a necessary one that every member should cooperate with his utmost ability for its upliftment, and loyalty in attitude brings everyone closer to each other. Their bonding grew strong, bringing out of positive outlook. And this is a life skill question only. In question number 3, what task do you think were assigned to the dog and the ox? The dog was assigned the task of fetching and carrying sticks, while the ox was assigned the task of plowing. Why did the camel live in the middle of the desert? The camel lived in the middle of the desert because he did not want to work. It ate sticks, thorns, and pickles, and when everybody spoke to it, it just said hum and nothing more. Question number 5. What made the dog, horse, and ox very angry? The man told the dog, the horse, and the ox that since the camel cannot work, he would leave it alone, and the three of them would have to work the double time to make up for the work not done by the camel. This made them very angry. So, question number 6. How did the genie know the horse was complaining against the camel? The genie know that the horse was complaining against the camel because he was in charge of all desert and knew about everything happening in the desert. Question number 7. The camel was looking at his own reflection in the pool. What does it suggest to you about the camel? The camel's looking at his own reflection in the pool shows that he would be proud of his appearance, especially his back. He liked admiring himself as if he is cute and handsome. Question number 8. The camel said hump repeatedly. How did it affect him? When the camel said hump repeatedly despite the genie's warning, his back puffed up into a big hump as it was a genie's punishment or a reward. We can take it in any way. Question number 9. What, according to the genie, was the use of hump? The genie assured the camel that his hump would not create a problem for him while working. Since the camel had skipped work for 3 days and he could live on a hump and would be able to work for 3 days without eating. This means that the hump was a kind of food to reserve. Question number 10. He has never yet learned to behave. In this light of this, what is the writer's opinion about the camel? According to the writer, the camel is still a very lazy animal that is unwilling to work. After he got his the genie asked to go out for the desert to help the other 3 animals. It seems to be that the camel still did not behave himself and worked lazily in the desert itself. It is for the reason that he was still unable to complete the bending work of those 3 missed days, and he continued carrying the hump and living in the desert. So that's all the extra questions is. So thank you, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any comments, you can please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.